गोंयांत लॉजिस्टीक हब करपाक सरकाराचो यत्न, मात लोकांचो विरोध कायम जाता. विरोध टॅकल करूंक सरकाराचो यत्न.
As far as today transportation of containers etc. to the harbour, I think with the roads that have already been constructed, this issue is comparatively under control. So I don't see much objection from public. And should there be any issues which, other than what I've mentioned, they have, I'm sure we can sit across the table and talk.
कोंकण रेल्वे जेन्ना येताली कितले ओपोजिशन आसले, कितले एजिटेशन जाले. लास्टाक कितें कोंकण रेल्वे आयली, मातशें अलायनमेंट चेंज केलो, वीच दे वे रेडी टू डू इट फ्रॉम द बिगिनींग. लोकां जाय तसो अलायनमेंट दिता आनी लास्टाक फॉर अ मोमेंट यू जस्ट थिंक दॅट कोंकण रेल्वे इज नॉट देर. इतले लोक कशे प्रवास करपाचे. सो बेश्टे लोकां रस्त्यार हाडप हें योग्य न्ही. समजलो न्हू. आतां लॉजिस्टिकल पॉलिसी हिंगा उलयतना एक क्लियर सांगला, जेन्ना आमी ही इंडस्ट्री बिल्डअप करपाक सोदता, हांवें तांकां सांगलां जेन्ना प्लॅनिंग करता, एज पार्ट ऑफ द प्लॅनिंग प्रोसेस लोकल युथा एम्प्लॉयमेंट मेळपा खातीर तेणी ट्रेनिंग दिवपा जाय एडवान्स.
Whereby we have to interact with the local population, take them into confidence before implementing any further projects. So for example, if we are thinking about the Vasco Bay project which we are planning now, it has a multiple kind of, we have to do a detailed environmental study, present it to the Ministry of Environment, then do a public hearing where we take into account the apprehensions of the local population, address it, and then go ahead with the implementation.
Well, I think this is, so one thing that, as I mentioned, what we are looking at is capacity building and awareness. I think we have to inform everybody, what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages, and ultimately we are all working towards progress, but we cannot have progress at any cost.
प्रुडंटा खातीर स्वप्नील तारी.